On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Slaughter gang. What is going on? Are we the Slaughter gang now? Because Bitcoin is getting absolutely decimated. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Bitcoin looks like complete dog shite. Portfolios look like complete dog shite. Yet we're still here. You're resilient effers. That's what you guys are. Happy Black Friday. Thank you, everybody, for being here. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you haven't checked your portfolio. Oh, man. I'm sorry, guys. It's ugly. It's ugly, man. Eee. Man, look at the mixed bag in here, eh? You guys don't... Some of you guys are full on... It's done. Some of you guys... There's some hopium in here, 30%. I'm around 50% here. I'm 50-50. I'm a 50-50 kind of guy. Where's Donald when we need him? We're so poor YouTube took our names. Look, we got the at names again. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Yeah. 83,000 Bitcoin. I bought $5,000 worth of Bitcoin just recently, just down here. So I'm committing. I'll show you the receipts if you want. I only bought 5K. Okay, we're taking a nibble, a very small nibble. Yeah, ugly, man, ugly. This is what we want, though. We've been talking about ripping the Band-Aid off, violent wickage. This is violence. Solana halfway down the candle, retest continuation trade possibility here. VWAP's in our face right now. I managed to long, short, long in here, and I'm down $600 for the day. I'm pretty sure. I haven't done the math yet. Made $1,000, lost $1,000, made 200, 300, 100, Anyways, we're starting the day off with a negative portfolio, which is fine. Slaughter gang. You guys know I'll always show you. You show me yours, I'll show you mine. I mean, this stop out here was like so fast. It was like poof, done. It didn't even blink. Yeah, $1,000 to make it. We're okay. That's all right. But damn, that was fun this morning. A little bit of excitement in the morning. I mean, nothing like trading at 5 in the morning, guys. That's where it's at. This looks like it's going to follow through here. And it's all well mitigating this high, trying to push and continue. Bounce continuation. We'll see. Anybody in any trades, put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. What's going on, Powley? Why Crypto? Muckin. Good to see you guys. Not Mike. Is this what winning feels like? Yeah, adventure. What's going on, Alexandra G? Thank you for being here. Urbo. Your bro. Urbo. I'm going to call you Urbo from now on, man. What's going on, man? I hate when the names are like this. Hulk. Dude, you said good morning so many times. You need a puffer or something. Asthma attack. You need to chill out. Skull, what's going on, Rashad? Gustafson, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Marcella? I think it's Marcella. What's going on, Triple? Good to see you, Grayson. Primo, Life, Moto, Castile. I can't believe they did this to the names again, man. What's going on, Google? Not only is Bitcoin broken, but Google's broken. What's going on, J Violet? Good to see you, Doodoo. Doodoo's in the chat, guys. No, he's number 2. He put number 2 in the chat. Doodoo, surprisingly, put a number 2 in the chat. Thank you for doodooing in the chat, Doodoo. Derek, French Toaster. Good morning, gang. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here, Nathan. I almost called you naked. Yeah, this is nasty. Nasdaq nasty too, man. Nasdaq rolling over. Not like Bitcoin. Bitcoin absolutely pooped the bed down almost 5% overnight. And then our altcoins have they've gotten slapped pretty hard. What's going on, Tony? Thank you for being here. Alan, J Valid, Dylan, Why Crypto. We should all be very grateful that we got a bounce here, guys. Let's first recognize that. Why? Because this is literally right here. This is literally the last little bit of volume before 72,000. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just letting you know. This is literally the last defense here. Okay? The last defense before 72,000. Nice push here through VWAP. Trying to go. VWAP slap rejection or VWAP slap continuation. Looks very strong, guys. I wouldn't want to short this just yet. Not just yet. Patience. This is nice bottoming structure. We have a stiletto here on the way down here. A big ass stiletto. Oh yeah, baby. Lady in red. And a lot of volatility. Look at the VIX. The VIX is at what, 20, 25. That's wild. It's going to be a very volatile, choppy day. So be prepared for volatility, everybody. French Toaster, Keen Bean, Harp, what's going on? Slaughter Gang. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Bunch of longs in here. Good job. Tony Soprano, Andrew Cameron, Yushan, what's going on? Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. I bought the shiz out of that. Yeah, I DCA'd a little bit into Bitcoin. I mean, nothing wrong with buying a little bit more Bitcoin. VWAP slap. Down we go. Mark Gustafson. How am I doing? I'm doing great, man. I'm doing great. I had a really good trading day yesterday. Absolutely slaughter ganged the charts. What's going on, Mike? Dylan, Colin, good to see you. Novid. Monin. You moaning? Milo, what's going on, Melissa? Good to see you, Stoon. Spicy Sushi. Man, I hate when the names are like this. I can't really. Easy Money, J Valet, Yushan. All right. All right. Long shorts, long shorts, long shorts. Nice VWAP slap here. Rejection. Interesting. Interesting. Patience here. I wasn't patient this morning, so I'm going to try and be patient this afternoon, but everything suggests lower. And he bounces for shorting, right? So 1% on BTC, 1% down, yeah, up and down, yo, price action. That's it. Well, it's Jesse, Rick, what's going on? Maybe a Band-Aid. Rebellious, Ben, continuation. Capitulation, continuation. Let's look at the YouTube thumbnails, everybody. Oh, let's go. Here we go, man. All right. Red. You like my red one? I put on a red one for you guys. This is bad. Oh, I like that one. Fuck. I can feel that one. Yeah, don't listen to these guys, man. Oh, Tradefly. Look how handsome he is. Oh, yeah. This is good. Okay. We're going to 0 with those thumbnails. We're going to 0. Major resistance here for Solana. I'm not really wanting to take a long into this right here. I'd prefer us to come back and then bounce. Not taking a short either. Bitcoin trying to continue out of here. This last night, my God, guys, what was this? They got everybody last night. Holy shit. That's nasty. I think it's 5% down, 4% up. Damn. And then chopped all the way back down. That's nasty. That's nasty, man. Everybody buy their trading view. What's going on, Hugh Hector? Good to see you. Random, nonstop, Wave Crypto, Gustafson. Is there any new entry? Not yet, man. Not yet. This is it's trying to push up here, but it's trading view Black Friday sale is live. It is. I don't think I have a referral code. I don't think so. I could check. But you should get your all of your subscriptions. Here we go. We have a join me on TradingView. Here, I do have a link. I will announce it. TradingView live. Black Friday sale. I found the link, guys. I found the link. There is a link. You don't have to use it, though. I think Army Piper is calling for 40,000. Aren't you, Piper? You dirty boy. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. YouTube messing with the names again. I don't know, man. What's going on, FJ? Good to see you, man. Dusty. French Toaster, Vegas Claw. Good morning. Money down, money up. Yeah. Possible continuation through VWAP here. Choppy. Nice little slap in here. Trying to push up. Beautiful shoe pattern. NASDAQ big double bottom. My God, that's nasty. For NASDAQ, that is disgusting. Look at yesterday. Look at this. I think the Nvidia earnings weren't as good as people thought. I think it's they call it the circle jerk, what's going on with Nvidia. So they got Microsoft buying chips off Nvidia, which are selling them back to Tesla, which are selling them to Nvidia, which are selling them back to Microsoft, and they're just like circle jerking each other. They're not really like doing anything besides borrowing and earning off of each other and spending. Which, I mean, come on, guys. That's not good. That's not good. So they're all bluffing. They're all bluffing. And it's not to say that AI is not going to be massively disruptive. It is, but that's exactly what's going on. And when there's enough information that shows you that, people don't like to invest in shit like that, obviously. This is a perfect bottoming pattern. I would expect us to come up to this high here. Bitcoin trying to push out of here. Yep. Through VWAP aggressively. I like this. Solana into VWAP. Different story. Still waiting. Boop, boop, ba-doo-doo. Thank you, everybody, for smacking up the likes and hanging out here. 333 people in here. A lot of people are puckered. Hopefully, I can help unpucker you, but it's not looking great, man. It's looking absolutely like shite. Either way, if we zoomed out on a macro and what we're looking for, don't make me pull out my macro technical analysis, guys, because it's legit some of the best in the game, but I can't share it with everyone. Only the otters. Okay, Slaughter Gang. Where are we coming? That is the question, right? Well, if this, then that. Look at this. We're holding on to this volume node. This is why I said you better be friggin' happy we held that, because look at the stops. 44. Okay, these are your stops. Now, here's a big stop. Don't get me wrong. 72 is a big stop in here. It's about 50,000 to about 72 is a big stop. Okay? For all you people who are like, where are we going to go? I like this trend line. Okay, don't mess with this trend line. This trend line is actually pretty good. Can we hold? Can we hold, right? Because we're trying to hold on to this guy in here. Right here. So far, so good. But after yesterday, man, that rollover, look at this. Look at this chart, man. Blood is in the streets, man. Blood is in the streets. We're in Piper's platinum pocket already. Look at that. We hit his platinum pocket. He's going to talk about the platinum pocket. I guarantee it. I guarantee you he's going to talk about the platinum pocket bounce here at the 886. $5. $5. He's planning on talking about the platinum pocket. Right, Piper? We did. Grab the volume nipple and squeeze it. Yeah. I don't know if she'll like that, but sure. So we're trying to hold on here. In here is where we're expecting the bounce. We do not want a candle close on a weekly below this low. That's for damn sure. That's bearish as fuck. Okay. The only hopium I can give you is because we've come down so aggressive, we can go back up so aggressive. That's the only hopium I have for you. Besides that, this looks terrible. Okay? Ever since Binance did this dirty to us, they've been wrecking everybody. Okay? Ever since the Binance thing, guys. We can all thank Binance for this, in my opinion. You make your own opinion, but I think it's a very manipulated action. It's not not normal. Didn't Tom Lee say something about that? $1,000 says you're absolutely right. Good morning from Fort Lauderdale. What's going on, Mr. Kemp? It's not Kempe, guys. It's Kemp. Could send us to 68K. Yeah, absolutely. I've talked about that target for weeks, says Army Piper. See? That's why we're friends. He's a platinum man. I dipped my toes, Piper. I bought a little Bitcoin right here. You'll be proud of me. Only 5K though. I'm not committing to a full on, you know. I committed to the fire thumbnail today. I committed to it for you. Okay? I committed to it just for the people. Just for the people. I committed to it. I think if I get more clicks today, I might open my mouth. I'm kidding. Did you see the rate cuts, bro? Look at the rate cuts. Did you see this? Piper, look. Tell me this isn't bullish. Oh, Piper, my man. 70% chance. You got data to talk about today, bro. This was at 30 yesterday. Dirty 30s. You know, I'm in my dirty 30s. I had a kid and all the rest of it. But look at this, man. You got to tell me a lot about this. Sorry about the flashbang, guys. That's cool, man. Tuesday PP in your eye. Look at this. All this stuff coming out for Piper next week. Core PC. You must be so excited, bro. I'm happy for you. I'm happy you got some data. Fake out. Rotation down. No trade here, guys. Still waiting. Sell wall here, sell wall there. Structure wise, let's take a look here. All right, so I'm gonna go swing high here. Who would have thunk it? Eh? That's clearly a sell wall. VWAP. Rejection, golden pocket, coming back down. I mean, you probably momentum too. Should have sold it. That's okay. Still waiting here. My God. I just don't view up with this amount of volatility. VIX is up at 20. Look at the VIX, man. Whew. It's fast, man. Look at this. Choppy. And chop you up real quick. So, patience this morning. You guys are really my sounding board. I took like 4 trades this morning. So, I'm grateful for you guys because I get to come in here and try to be more disciplined. Why is there 2 support and resistances here? And get rid of you. Slide you down a little bit. Okay. Kleenex is everywhere. And I love you for that thumbnail. I just bought 4K worth. Let's go, Piper. Let's go. You got to take a little nibble. I mean, why not? $82,000 Bitcoin. I think's a good little level. I'm already down $9 on my purchase. I guess it filled me in up here. Okay. Typical. Rolling over here, Bitcoin. Still in a trade retest to previous highs. Possible continuation up. Good morning, Async Beru. Piper Plan DCA, full effect, yeah. The Piper Hub. Piper Hub. Oh, man. Clean your pipes with Piper. What's going on, Wick's wife? Good to see you, Dammy. Good morning. Wave Safer. Yeah, there's some bug thing going on with Tom Lee, yeah. I think whatever Tom Lee can use to justify his $3 billion loss is what he's going to do. In my opinion. Ethereum. Come on, man. You didn't think that guy with the big schlong from Canada is going to rug you? I'm sorry. Oh, man. Okay, rolling over here. Through VWAP pretty aggressively both ways, so no touchy. I'd look for it to come back into here. Probably lower side of this, golden pocket. If we go swing low to swing high. You've been doing TA too long. You know when you can visually just know where the golden pocket is, you've been doing TA too long. Coming into this little block here. Maybe we'll find some support at these highs as well. Still no trade, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Wow, we got a bunch of people in here. 400 people, guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you for being here. If you wouldn't mind giving that like button a little flick of the bean and subscribe if you're new. We do have a Black Friday sale on right now for our Discord. The best Discord in all crypto. The best. The number one. It really is, though. Amazing. 8 traders. Great people. Kicking ass, taking names. Incredible. Incredible. Market cipher code goggle. Okay, 70% off as well. So all of your indicator stuff as well. That's on sale. Everything's on sale, guys. So market cipher code. You got your trading view today. When do we do Chart Prime, Piper? I think it's next week. Chart Prime's going to do a sale. And then AlexOCrypto.com, guys. $70 membership. Use code Black Friday. That's my sales pitch. Did I do okay, guys? Join if you want. Join if you want. I think so. The best discount is at the beginning. Yeah, I think a bunch of my community wants some super duper discount. So we'll see. Volume has died down this morning, so we can see clearly decrease in volume with a little bit of sporadic price action in here. Sellers stepping up here. Breakdown, retest of view up, continuation down. No trade. No trade. It's look at the hair. The hair today. I need a haircut. Thinking about just buzzing it, man. I need to save my money to dollar cost average. Maybe I just cut it myself. I am getting awfully gray. I show you a picture of me like 4 years ago. No gray, guys. No gray. Now I look like Smithers or something like that. What's going on, baby? Good to see you. Dave. Band-Aid. Mark Dutch. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. What's going on, V Monitor? Good to see you, man. I'm doing great, man. Thanks for asking. It's distinguished. Can I say it's platinum pocket? Platinum pocket hair? Stress of trading, although you don't show trading. I mean, trading can be stressful. I get into tilt sometimes. I get pissed off of it's normally at myself. It's normally at myself. Yeah, I got stopped out short here. I was looking for a continuation down. I got stopped out this morning. I was pretty pissed off. I flipped long and made $1,000 back. So, I mean, still undisciplined in my opinion. I should have waited. I should have waited for this nice little halfway down the candle continuation trade. That's the only trade I should have taken this morning. I should have waited for this thing to do its thing. But I didn't wait. And that's okay. I'll forgive myself. The one thing I do, shout out to Doo in the chat, is I manage my risk, okay? So if I do take a stupid trade, at least I know how to take a loss. A lot of people don't know how to take a loss, so they'll get short here, and they'll think that there's no invalidation here, and they'll blow their account. There's a big difference. A lot of people aren't good at losing, and it's the number one thing I see with people. They're not good at losing. They're not good at losing. You got to be good at losing to win in this game. It's very contrarian, but that's just the way it works. Sideways here. This looks good for NASDAQ, but this SPY, man, where are we at in comparison to yesterday with the ES? So we're a bit lower. We're below the lows, retesting in here. Below the lows, retesting in here. So it's pretty accurate to where we actually are with this SPY. Damn, that's a big ass drop, man. Wants to hold this, otherwise we're coming here. Damn you, SPY. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I mean, the beauty thing is as a trader, you can make money clearly on the way down. You know, I've done really well on the way down here. Do you know why I think I've done well? Because I was born in the bear, baby. If you were born in the bear, this is nothing. This is nothing. This is a tickle. You ever short something? I mean, one of my first trades I shorted here, I got liquidated. Don't worry, I made 10,000 on the way back up. I was in cross margin and I got liquidated on the bounce. But right around here, right around from here to here, my trading changed a lot. And that's where I became profitable, baby. Profitable. Bought Bitcoin here. Bought Bitcoin here. Still holding it to this day. But this'll change you, man. This'll change you. Good times. So this This is just whatever. This is like and that's the thing. I think now that, I can say I have experience with dealing with stuff like this, so I think it's going to be very useful to the members in the Discord and how to adjust the narrative and how to take advantage of this, because you get paid really fast. Guys, look, you get paid. We're down 36%. You get paid really quick, which is sweet. We love getting paid quick. Retest back into VWAP here. Nice push. Chopping the WAP, man. Right into chopping the WAP. We're below VWAP here on Solana as well. I don't know if they give us back to here. This is a pretty aggressive move, so they might send it a little bit higher. Randy Hipper's in the chat. What's going on? Good to see you, Randy. How you doing? Mark Dutch M4. What's going on? Wick's wife. Good to see you. Melissa. Thank you for being here. Beru. Dusty. V Monitor. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome, man. Thank you guys for saying good morning. If you are new here, the only thing we actually really require you to do is say good morning. Like, don't be weird. Don't be some of this guy who's on his wanking chariot sitting there watching me watch a screen. You're watching me watch a screen. You don't even say good morning. You're just like, imagine like I'm here and we're having a conversation, and then you're like over there just looking at me, man. Like, can I help you? Hey, man. Hi. How's it going? You got a problem? All right. Say good. Don't be weird, man. Say good morning. All right. Hi, Alex. Where and what would you look for to long now? So for longing right now, you want to go based off of strength. You can see strength coming in here, buyers stepping in, consolidation, not giving it back, which is a good signal for strength right now. So we could easily push back up into here, right? I don't like taking choppy price action in VWAP, right? I managed to flip long in here this morning after taking a couple losses down in here. Very undisciplined initially, and then very good on the way back up. Probably to do with trading at 5 in the morning when I first wake up. I just got excited. Okay. I managed my risk though. So now they're either trapping a lot of longs, which is most likely the case, and they're going to dump it on their heads, right? So we're looking down in here, golden pocket, fair value gap. Okay. But for now, this is not ideal. This move out is ideal. Okay. This pattern here is ideal. Everybody knows this as the shoe pattern, okay? The stiletto. If you don't know what the stiletto is, it looks like a stiletto, okay? This is Cinderella. Cinderella comes to play. This happens a lot of the time in markets for bottoming structure. You have a very aggressive move down, then a consolidation, which creates bullish divergence. Typically an aggressive move at the toe. Sometimes you get like elongated toes, like open toes, like Frankenstein toe, like one of those chicks with like size 10 feet. Sometimes you get one of those. Not all the time. But yeah, the sweep and the bounce. Bottoming structure. In this environment, though, it's bottoming structure, bottoming structure, bottoming structure, bottoming structure. Still all of it's just trending down, okay? VWAP reclaim continuation into sell wall. Still don't like it. Yeah. Good to see you, Miss Teen Crypto. I'm sure you don't have size 10 feet. How you doing? Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. Today is Friday. Fridays we send the gang over to Miss Teen Crypto. Bad Baptist, good to see you. Bam Bam, good to see you as well. Hopefully you're feeling better today, Bad Baptist. I know you had a little bit of a tilt day yesterday. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing all right. Don't do drugs or sell drugs. No. Julio, what's going on, man? Good to see you, bro. Baby Genius, Tony Soprano, Mark Dutch, Vegas Claw, Mass Rider, good to see you. Offshore Miner, good to see you, bro. How you doing? Crunk, Easy Money, Max, Tokyo, Random. Nice push here. Liquidity, overbought. Money's still coming out here. Interesting. Trying to push up here. VWAP slap. Trendline slap. Resistance. Probably coming for this liquidity in here. I'd prefer actually if it came for these lows right here. That's where I would prefer it to come, right here. Tap that block. So we'll include the lows, the highs and the lows of this area for general resistance, but it's got some work to do. Still in a trade. I still love you, Kathy. I saw your comment. No trade here. Cheeky hanging man in golf in continuation. 3 white soldiers trying to push. I think we got to come here. It's funny how they move it so quickly right before we stream. 7:30. What's up with that? And then all of a sudden, niente, nothing. Okay. Wanker chairs, yeah, watch out. Wick 589, what's going on, Mike? Good to see you. Ben, between 4-hour structure and liquidity on CoinGlass, which gets respected first? Today seems the opposite. Yeah. Can I have a look at Sui? I mean, it's down. It's going to be a lot of the same, man. It's going to be a lot of the same. Looks like shit. Key level support. 130. 130. Looking to reclaim back up into the range, which is 157. Otherwise, you're coming back to $1. Hype, my God. Hype in the lows of the lows here. Holding on. Holding on, yeah. Look at that hype alert going off, man. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. Where's that alarm? Why won't it pop up? There it is. Get out of here, man. We all know you're shite. Bitcoin pushing here. Solana getting above VWAP. Trying to push. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Did you catch that low, guys? I caught the low, but I closed it. I'm not about to stick around in that. The lip smacking is killing me. Can we please have some background music? Nah. We don't do background music here. I love liquidity. Sui's dead. Yes, come. I like Sui. I still hold my Sui. Trying to hold here. Nasdaq looks strong. Trying to push. Nothing yet. Wonder how far. Do you think? I don't think we'll gap down too far on. We do have a little bounce on the ES, so we might open positive here for the S&P this morning. Bitcoin chopping the top. Airport day, Crypto Rob. Have a safe flight, man. Round trip in the market twice. You're dizzy. Zora's about to explode. Sweet, man. What about Zorro? VChain, Fitman, MexC Crypto. Strength here. Solana getting above VWAP, no trade yet. I'd like to see how this candle closes. Interesting. Could take it up to this high. Not holding VWAP. It would look something like this. It's just a little bit too, the R multiple's not there in my opinion. Wick test in here, no, invalidated. I like that it's claimed VWAP. Let's put it that way, but I could go something like this. Splitting hairs? I think it's splitting hairs. What do you guys think? I think it's splitting hairs. Nah, no trade. Slow motion. Oh, here we go. Take a slap on Sol. Let's go. Follow through. Follow through. No follow through. Damn, that's ugly, man. Push. Really? No follow through. Stopped out. I thought we'd push into that high. Good stop. Down $300. On to the next one. I thought we'd get a push through there with that volume, but chop at the top, follow through, looking to grab liquidity and then come back down. Yeah. Holding view up, trying to push. Bitcoin was catching a bid. Not the greatest trade. That's okay. On to the next one. I think we're going to 786. Okay. Madness. You've broken TradingView's spirit. It's going to follow through now. Like, obviously, that's after every trade, it's going to just follow through here and go up, but typical. I liked Bitcoin catching a bid here. You can see Bitcoin here went doji engulfing continuation. Just looking for that follow through on Solana. Didn't really get it. So that's fine. On to the next one. It's going to go now, guys. Watch. That's how it always happens. $6.55. I'm going to get some coffee. I'm out of coffee. Refresh. Come back. Kick some ass. Take some names. Like and subscribe. All that good stuff, everybody. Thank you for being here.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Oh, it hasn't even moved. Oh, good close on Solana. That makes me happy. You know when you close a trade and then it absolutely goes the opposite direction, you're like, okay, that was a good close. That's what it's about. Oh, 1 second. All right. Down she goes. All right, Bitcoin staying flat. Solana's rolling over. Nasdaq rolling over. Order block retest. Continuation up here. No. Lower. She says lower. Bitcoin flat. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. Supporting the channel, hanging out, all that good stuff. Everybody's trying to stay positive. That's good. I mean, whatever you need to tell yourself. Doesn't look positive. See if it wants a whole VWAP here. Solana rolling over here. Coming back, retesting highs, possibly. Bitcoin retest to VWAP. Very choppy this morning, 9 o'clock, top of the hour. What does it say here? It says down. Okay. Green dot confirmation still says down. VWAP retest right now still says down. Big resistance. Lower, lower, and lower. Bitcoin trying to hold VWAP. VWAP slap. Possible bounce here. Nice bounce. Long on Solana. Push. No. Come on, Sol. Push. Don't be gay. There we go. Nice scalp on Solana, $300. Just looking for a quick slap. 342 just now. It's tight scalp, guys. I can't suggest taking that trade. Break even now. Break even day. Quick scalp on Solana. Looking for follow through here. That was in and out quick. Mark it in, mark it out. $300. Could bounce here, but gonna take the money as it goes. It was just a reaction off of that. It wasn't something that, you're looking to hold. It could play, but I mean, Solana beat down. It slapped. You take the long on this candle. You follow that up into this low. Okay, you see that right into the low there, and you take your money and you run. Even if it rips to the upside, that's just a clean slap and go. In and out. It could run here, but yeah, Bitcoin's not catching a bid here. NASDAQ rolling over. Yeah, it's dangerous to have hold this. This looks like it's coming down. Yeah. Even if it comes up into here, this still looks like it's coming down. Liquidity, target. Just a quickie. Don't tell my wife we took a quickie trade. She's in the other room. She's probably like, he's such a knob. Thanks, Chris. Break even now. Break even. Gang instead of wreck. Yeah. Well. See, the price ain't pretty, right? So when looking at this, obviously, we can do top down. Top down's not going to give you much satisfaction. I promise you guys that, okay? When we look at this daily, oversold, extremely oversold, right? 12-hour, extremely oversold. Money flow down, everything's down. 12-hour trying to bounce back here, not looking the greatest, okay? 8-hour money flow is disgusting, straight down, oversold. Nothing looks good here, okay? 4-hour, everything oversold. Money flows so deep, it's, your wife's cheating on you. That's how deep it is. It's crazy. It's just rejection after rejection. Any retest back in is for selling. Get a little bit of a hopium here. VWAP crossover to the upside. 3 minute, a little bit of hopium. 3 hour, sorry, to the upside. 2 hour, same thing. When we look at structure here, guys, we've literally just rolled over. Okay, literally rolled over into the very lowest part of the volume nipple. Okay, if we're looking at volume nipples, which I know you guys like looking at volume nipples, it's your favorite thing to do. But if we look at this and we see we're literally holding this bottom level. Okay, there's some consolidation here, so there's a hopium that we can chop in this area here. This is where we bottomed before. Maybe we do this here. Maybe we do this here. Who knows? Right now, it's not for us to be predictive. We're here to take advantage of price action, but maybe we do something like this in here. There's your hopium. That's your hopium, in my opinion. Rate cuts are up 70% now. Okay, your 1 hour, your 2 hours, all trying to bounce. Okay, everything here is trying to bounce. Any bounce is met with rejection. Massive rollover last night. Obviously, order block, retest to previous lows, all resistance along the way up. And should be looked for shorts. Okay, this is pain. This is what it looks like, okay? So if this, then that. Hourly bullish divergence trying to go here. It's just very ugly. Just very ugly. So our job, participate safely, very volatile. Okay. VIX is up at 25, very volatile. Okay. It's going to chop you up, man. So if you don't pay yourself or manage your risk, you know, you guys see me take a loss and a win. And, you know, stop loss pretty quick to be hit. Profits pretty quick to be taken. Okay. So if you're swing trading this, whatever your swing trade is, give it a little bit more room. All right. Lower your position size. Let the trade play. I'll view up slap here. Rotation back up. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. We have a Black Friday sale going on in our amazing Discord where we have 8 traders, signals, setups, amazing group of people, kicking ass, taking names. Join that. We got the Trading View sale on. We got the Market Cipher sale on. It's Black Friday, so if you're trying to stack any of your indicators and stuff like that, now is the time. Now is the time. And it's totally up to you. It's never financial advice. I just want you guys to get the best price. If you ask anybody in here who's been here, I ain't a salesman. I'm not a salesman. I can't sell shit. All I know is there's extreme value in the Discord, and that's the only thing that I suggest that you come and hang out with the family, man. Come and hang out with the family. Look at this. This would have played quite decently, but got 10, 20 minutes till market opens. Approximately how many seconds do you take and close your trades after open? Depending on the trade, man. It's all depending on the trade. Some trades I hold, right? Some trades I'm in and out, right? It's what's really helped me when trading is distinguishing the difference between a scalp and an intraday trade for me. Okay, if I can understand that, I can position myself accordingly. So if I'm trying to take this guy to here, right? That's a scalp. Bang, bang. Done. 10-minute trade. Maximum 30-minute trade, right? But if I'm catching a low here, stop loss below the low here, target up here, I realize my recognition to realize that this could be a potential intraday trade, meaning that I hold it for the day or whatever. Then I can position myself accordingly where I'm willing to wait in the stop loss a little bit longer so I can have the trade play out. Okay, and distinguishing between the two, because I typically buy spot if I'm swing trading, okay? But being able to distinguish between the two has allowed me to be very profitable, okay? Especially with trend, right? Like if you got short in here, right? You hold this trade, you in the money. Right? You can scalp this on the way up. We gave the long for Solana here last night. And I mean, I'm sure a lot of people in the Discord made money on this Solana long. I was hanging out with my son, you know. I had a $7,000, $8,000 day yesterday, but after a day like that, I go and hang out with my family. That's why we get into trading. That was what looking for this on Solana. I gave you guys it in advance. Okay, Solana came back in. It tested it. Okay, nice trade. Okay, spoon feeding it. Can I get some spoons in the chat? I think some of the gang members took this. I was away. Like I was hanging out with my son. It played out, right? It played out. I mean, up, down, all around. We'd be crushing it. Even though our portfolio is crushed, I mean, my trading bags have exploded positively, right? So one thing, you got a set of skills. You can make money on the way down. It's a beautiful gift to have. Holding VWAP here coming into market open. This screams that it has to come in here. It's screaming that price needs to come here. Or we're going to retest these lows up in here. Is this the low? I don't think so, guys. Come on. Let's be reasonable. What are all these horizontals? What are these from my chart here? Oh, these are the levels that we're buying on the way down, yeah. All the way down. Orb from yesterday. Whew. That was the setup yesterday, everybody. The orb breakdown retest yesterday. That was the setup, man. Orb breakdown retest short. My God. That was money yesterday. Whew. I shorted the crap out of that. I long Solana here and then shorted Solana here. Incredible. Incredible day yesterday. I'll show you mine if you show me yours. Somewhere in here. Where is it? Short, long, short, long, short, long, long, short. Incredible. Incredible. Just kicking ass. Kicking ass. Good fun. Looking like we're going to lose VWAP coming into market open. We got Discord live stream today. Maybe we do some live trading today in the Discord. Who knows? What do you guys want to do? Spoons in the chat. Let's go. The gang knows. God bless you guys. Thanks, Mark, for sharing the trading view. Why do I make more market in a bear market? It seems easier. Well, if you're shorting in a bear market, remember, you get paid elevator down. You get paid faster, right? You get paid faster if you can catch the short in the right places. Join the Discord. Great coaches and TA. Thank you, Guru. God bless you, bro. You would not consider this as a swing, given it could maybe be the bottom. So for me, we're trying to catch a bottom, and I explained this quite clearly to the family in the Discord, right? We're looking for 4-hour confirmation, meaning we want to see this high taken. We never took it. We wanted to see, okay, we want to see highs taken, right? We never seen a high taken the whole way down here, guys. It's lower highs all the way through. So for me, if I'm trying to swing trade, guys, and I've hit some pretty big banger swing trades. Everybody wants to catch the low, right? Do I care if I catch it here or if I catch it here and I'm confident? Do I care if I catch it here or if I catch it here and I'm confident? Okay. So I don't really give two shits about catching the bottom for a swing trade. I care about confluence, structure, continuation, right? I want to have confidence taking that swing trade. I want to be like, okay, we're a swing here, target this liquidity in here, happy days, and get paid. I don't give a shit about catching it down here. And that's how I treat my swing trading, right? I'll take nibbles on the way down, but I will never get more than, so I'll get exposure, which I just got today on Bitcoin. And then I'll go 20, like 10 and 20 on the way down. Okay. Lower low, 10, 20. And then I do not allocate any more until I see structure change for a spot buy. So until I see, I will not, if we go down to 75 or whatever, I'll probably put in another 10% into Bitcoin. And then if we go down to whatever, 60, I'll put another 10%. And then if we structure change, I'll back up the truck. And I'll bring my average buy down in here. But if we keep dropping, I mean, I want to be able to have a good average. I don't want to be, some namby-pamby average. And also, is it to be sold within the year? Is it to be sold in 5 years, right? Like I've bought $30,000 worth of Solana at about an average of 140. Have I backed up the rest of my truck yet? No, but my average is 140. Am I waiting now? Absolutely. Right? But that's a 5-year hold. So you must have a plan. Is what I always suggest. If you don't have a plan, you're planning to fail, as they say. Okay. You must have strategy within that. You all have technical analysis skills. Use your skills, right? Right. Use your skills. Don't just go in blind because you think it's a good idea, right? Use people's tools. Army Piper has like a really good DCA plan, but like I got a little bit in here, right? If we come in here, I'll get a little bit more. If we come down here, I'll get a little bit more. We structure change, I'll back up the damn truck. Because let's face it, guys, if we're wanting to buy Bitcoin, we want to buy. Where do we want to buy? Let's go on to a US chart. We want to buy here. We want to buy here. And we want to buy here. That's where we want to buy. We want this. We want it to look like this. And look at how long you have to get into the position here. Okay? Even here. Right? That's where we want to buy. If we're dumping and we're going down to zero, if we are here, right? We take this here. Right? If we are, here, right? That's scary, isn't it, guys? Right? Or we could be here. But I'd much rather, get a little exposure here in case we get a big, massive push up, right? And I can get out, right? I don't feel the FOMO. By getting my toes wet exposure, the FOMO subsides, right? Because I got a little bit in the game, right? That's kind of how I do it. There's some good, the MVP oscillator on Chart Prime is really good. Don't got time to go into shit like that right now. It's for Discord. But having a plan, right? Always having a plan, executing the plan, having a time horizon, going from there. Breaking down here. Good patience on Solana. Couple good scalps. Patience right now. Looks like it's going to roll over here. No close below this low, but doesn't look strong at all. Looks like Bart Simpson here. Coming into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It is 9:20. Sorry, I'm in Mountain Standard Time now. How much is your Discord membership? $88, but I think it's $75 now with the sale. It's too expensive for people. Hopefully, you don't need to join. You can just stay away. I got too many tickets, man, and too many people already. It's expensive now because we don't want people to join. It's a lot of questions, guys. It's a lot of work. I mean, it's a lot of work. Does anyone here play League of Legends? I used to play a little bit. Katarina mid, Darius, left side. Wolf guy, jungle. I used to play a little bit. Not much though. Too old for video games now. Even though I'm gonna whoop everybody's ass in Counter-Strike here, right? We're all gonna have a CS tournament. $65 seems better, yeah. What if it goes to 50 cents? Then we'll get rich or die trying, Massey. You set me up for that one, bro. I see a Head and Shoulders cup and handle with a double zigzag lifer. Come on. Come on, man. You guys are... I will bunny hop knife you to death. Trading is a video game? Oh, that's the worst thing you can do. Wave Cypher, I am absolutely going to whoop your ass in CS, bro. If he beats me, I have to give him a raise. CSGO tourney. Guys, I'm rusty, man. I haven't played since I played CS maybe a year ago. But I used to compete at tournaments as a kid, so the good old days, man. I came second place in a Counter-Strike tournament when I was 13. I have a poster. 2003 Unreal Tournament limited edition. So it's Unreal Tournament poster with like these three guys with the guns. Autographed by everybody who made the game. I have it framed. It's in my garage right now. And I won a Radeon 9800 video card. Guys, you guys remember that Radeon 9800 video card? What was it, 1998? With the dog on the front? Yeah, this one. I won this. I had a custom built PC. 9800 Pro. Look at that. That's memories, man. That is memory lane, man. I had a really cool case. I had a custom built PC. And it was a dog. Okay, it had like a collar here, right? And the start button was that was the power button. That was its collar, and it was orange. And then it had these big teeth for the DDR, the rewritable, the CDRW. So the teeth would flip open both ways for both CD drives. Obviously, the eyes were up here with some ears. It was such a cool computer case, man, back in the day. And then the restart button was a belly button. It was cool, man. Like I'm like 14, bringing it to gaming competitions and stuff like that as a kid. You sleep over, LAN parties, Halo and Counter-Strike, and Doom, Quake. We used to play a lot of Quake too, Action Quake. My God, good times. Good times. Lights, camera, action. Man, too good. Too good, man. Oh man, my son is crying like a baby, man. He's crying. I'm gonna mute it, guys. He's crying like a wee little baby. Future Leafs fan, absolutely, Harp. He is an absolute namby-pamby. He might as well get used to crying. I muted it so you guys don't have to hear him whine. He's like, Austin Matthews got injured. Bitcoin's going to zero. Dad lost all his Bitcoin. No, I'm kidding. Oh, by the way, there was a scammer who came in the Discord and like added everybody. Don't be opening no links, please, guys. Wallets, whatever, clicking on people come in. We have a free section in the Discord, okay? People come into the free section and try to scam people. We try our best. We block them and ban them immediately. Even when you join anybody's Discord, you're going to get a million friend requests from everybody. Never accept them. Never private message anybody. Don't click on links, okay? Please. Please. Right? This is just basic internet safety, okay? Okay, please. Okay? In the paid section, it's safe, okay? We monitor this. You need to pay to get in, okay? But please, man, don't be a victim. Don't be a victim. Please don't be a victim. We're in Harp. We're in second last place in the division, Harp, and we're gonna finish second. Okay, wait till Matthews and Stolars and Nyes come back, and it's gonna be a different game. We got 1 minute till market open, everybody. Don't click on links, guys. Market's about to open, everybody. Matthews, they think it's ACL, man, which is crazy. Off of a stupid hit from who? Who do you think it was from there, French toaster, you bastards? Sorry. I'm angry. Fucking Boston. If you fall for it, you deserve it. Yeah. Absolutely. I mean, I feel bad for people, but market's open, everybody. Here we go. SPY. Gapping up. Good start. Gapping up for the SPY. Pushing here. Trying to go. Pumping. 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 Through VWAP aggressively. Trying to push here for Biddy. I mean, nasty. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Trigger wave continuation. NASDAQ pushing. Coming up for the highs. Sweep of the highs. Rejection. Bitcoin pushing. No trade here. Woo! SFP in the place to be. Volatility. Let's go. No trade here, guys. If anything, you should have shorted that. My hair today. Guys, I feel like Johnny Bravo. Could I get the Johnny Bravo going? He's just going to go Otter Gang hat. There. Bear market. Bear market, AlexOCrypto. We're going to be one of these guys now. Bear market, AlexOCrypto. What's up, everybody? Gang, gang, gang. Slaughter gang. Slaughter gang. I'm like a walking billboard with all this OG gear now. Push Bitcoin, you nambe-pambe. I don't trust you anymore. You shorted this? You got momentum into S&P opening up good. Rejection. I'm all mustache now, guys. Look at that. All mustache. No trade. Still waiting here. Slaughter gang goes hard. Let's go. I need OC's hair. Yeah, my hair is looks like all prim and proper now. I just go this way. There. That's so gay. So gay. Don't ever let me do that again, guys. Good push here. Let's go, Bitcoin. Battle back, baby. Battle back. Battle back. You can do it, Nikki. You can do it all night long. Aggressive move through VWAP for Solana. Nice push for Biddy. Biddy catching a bid. Coming up for these highs here. Caution. Three drives, bear divs, SFP of the high here. Patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new. Thank you. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out. 517 people, 205 likes. You guys are great. Join the Discord. Promo sales on now. Black Friday. Get in now. Lock in that price forever. Price is only ever going up. Ask anybody. Price is just continuing to go higher because it's the best Discord in crypto. Let's face it. Okay. Trigger wave. Pushing. Bitcoin. Strong. Solana. Strong. Don't be naive to the fact that we dumped 5% and we're up 5%. Okay, we're still down quite aggressively here, guys. So please be aware of your surroundings. It is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. How has your trading been this week? I guess that's the poll that we typically do here. A lot of you guys are feeling the FOMO here. Oh, man. Start a poll. Let's see. How was... Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I've had a great trading week. I don't know about you guys, but good job. GG's, everybody. Congratulations. I love seeing you guys win, man. That's like my favorite shit. Will you trade in live? You will find out, my friend. We've taken 2 trades live already. However, you do you, man. You do you. Coming up for that high on Solana here. Nice push out. Getting through VWAP aggressively. You can take that long there halfway up the candle. Just not for me. Coming into some resistance right now. Nice breakout continuation. NASDAQ still chopping quite aggressively here. The SPY looks a little bit better here with a gap. Big gap energy. Mind the gap. This now becomes a target for the day, so we could come back down quite easily, guys. Be aware of that. Be aware of that, please. Please, please, please. Resistance here. Coming into the La Resistance, retesting those lows. Okay. Possible follow through here. No trade here. Still waiting. GG's on your longs, everybody. Golden pocket retested lows, resistance. Skiing, let's go. Who's skiing? Who's on their hands? What's going on, Dave Digital? Good to see you. When are you gonna come on the show, bro? You've been flaking on me, man. You're like a flaky pastry, bro. Don't make me call you out. I'll call Billy on your ass. I'll say, Billy, Dave told me 3 weeks ago he's gonna come on my live show. I've opened up my door to him. He has not stepped through it. Dave. Everybody put some double D's in the chat. If you're feeling sad, put some double D's in the chat. Congratulations on your longs. Follow through. Continuation. Continuation here. Welcome to crypto. NASDAQ rolling over. Bart Simpson. Inverse correlated. We can't see that Bitcoin did drop where NASDAQ didn't, though. So Bitcoin trying to reclaim 85. 85 is major resistance, trying to get back up into that area. Nice push so far. Probably trapping longs up at the top here. No trade for me. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and subscribing. 570 people. Double Dave Digitals in the chat. Giving Dave. Come on, Dave, man. Everybody wants Dave to come on live and trade with us, right? I do. $786 reached. I need more Dave in my life, man. This is, yeah. Coming into resistance here. Nice pushback. Bull divs continuation here. Not bad. Not bad bottoming structure. We do have a Discord live today. That'll be fun. Follow through here. Trying to go. Patience. We're looking for a retest probably of previous lows. I would look in here for a retest continuation trade if we get what we want to see. For now, looking to push. Soy Boy Lana trying to push as well. Major resistance up here for Solana 130. Damn, Soy Boy Lana. Look at this. Pretty aggressive push this morning. NASDAQ pushing back. SPY pushing back. Even the hyper liquids are pushing back. What about Ethereum? Oh, we don't touch it. ETH looks like dog shite. I'm trying to push. Everybody feeling the FOMO up here? I'm here to tell you, It's okay to feel FOMO up here. I feel it too. I just don't make a irrational decision based on my emotions. Hopefully we can all work on that together here. I miss the long. Yeah, whatever, man. There's so many more trades coming. It's not even funny. You don't have to make all your money today. Make sure you understand that. Big doji engulfing candle continuation up here. Don't buy the top, please. SFP on Solana. Major resistance on Bitcoin. SFP on Solana. Double confluence. Possible rejection here. Enticing buyers on that candle. Rotation back down. Wait. There you go. There you go. The SPY is looking ugly as well. Jeez. Look at the SPY. It'd be bullish if the SPY came down for the target box and rotated back up. If this, then that. 65.6 for the SPY, man. That's crazy. Wild. Good times, man. Whew. Bitcoin needs to come lower. Solana needs to come lower. Trying to follow through here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out. Good times, man. Good times. Almost 600 people here. Thank you guys for hanging out, man. Lots of Black Friday sales going on right now, too. You guys can check those out. Join the Discord, all that good stuff. Thank you for being here and hanging out. Just happy you're here. Make sure you say good morning. That's the only thing I really ask you. Say good morning. Everybody who's new here. You don't need to subscribe. You don't need to like. Just say good morning. Practicing being patient. Yeah, that's good, man. Like, for me, I used to sit there on the 30-second chart and just stare at it and be like, I am not trading. This is like you mentally train here because the candles are going to entice you, right? I always suggest neutral candle colors, okay? Don't put them red and green because you're going to be like, green candle, oh my God. Red candle, oh my God, right? My candles are purple because my wife's favorite color is purple. Therefore, I don't lose all of our money because my wife is watching me at all times. And I respect my wife. She's my world. So I've made my candles purple to honor her. And it's worked for me. It's worked because I was just like, don't want to throw away the money for the misses, you know. That's why my candles are purple, if you're ever wondering. The time frame you're trading makes a difference. Absolutely. That's why I don't typically jump on the one minute. I'll check things on the 1 minute, like see if there's a little block in here or something like that, but I won't be watching. 3 minutes fast enough for me now. 30-second, 5-second, you can learn a lot. You can learn a lot from watching a 5-second chart, right? This is like maximum amount of data, right? So you can see here, mitigation of the low, rotation up, bearish divergence, right? Failure to make a higher high, breaking down here, losing this order block here, rotation down, sweep of the low, coming back down for liquidity down here, looking for a buy up. This is an SFP bounce, possible continuation down, looking to come for this guy here and these two here, right? You can learn a lot just by watching it and just like talking through it. Right, fair value gap here, looking to attack that area, retest to previous highs, VWAP below. Okay, you can go through it and go through the motions and kind of draw it out how you see where you're looking to target, right? SFP down here, bounce SFP, rotation back up, golden pocket, order block, continuation down, right? Retest to previous highs, bounce level. So you can learn a lot, but you shouldn't be staring at that, right? This is a lot easier to manage. Retest to previous highs, continuation now. You see what I see? NASDAQ big SFP into the area down here, trying to bounce. Target almost filled here on the SPY, not completely, but could leave that guy behind. Lower here, big rejection. Anybody sell the tweezer top there? Beautiful tweezer top. Oh man, beautiful. That's a beautiful tweezer top. You don't necessarily see them that often on Bitcoin. Put a 2 in the chat if you shorted. GG's. Short sell wall worked really well there. You're buying the retest? Good. Good, man. I'm not. I'm waiting here. I'd rather see VWAP. Retest to previous lows, continuation down. Money flow's coming in quite nicely here. Solana, VWAP, retest, continuation up. I don't like it that much. Trigger wave, bearish divergence. This looks nasty. This looks nasty. Just saying. This suggests we come here again. Not as extreme on Bitcoin. Retest to previous lows, continuation down, possibility here. This will be a retest in here. Back in here. Take this thing down to the lows. That would be your trade setup there. Bullish engulfing wick test in the opposite direction. See how choppy this is? So it's a no trade zone for me. Like you could have taken that long up into the resistance here and then short down, right? Depending on how active of a scalper you are. NASDAQ very choppy. SPY very choppy, guys. Very volatile right now. Hands solo. If you want your dopamine fix, just go at everybody on the on Twitter, man. It's pretty good. All right. Good pushback here. NASDAQ catching a little bit, but that broadening wedge shit again, man. I hate this. Is not fun. Just very choppy volatility, getting nowhere. This here suggests we need to sweep into here. Or it leaves everybody in the dust. I'll be waiting. I don't like anything here yet. I'd rather see lower VWAP. I'd rather see a minimum. I'd rather see VWAP. If it runs away, that's cool, man. Nothing yet. Still waiting. Soul holding 3 minute. YouTube doing that username shit again, yeah. Yeah, everybody's name is all at whatever. Good push here, guys. Nice push on Biddy here. SPY catching a bid. Just not for me, really. Good buy level, though. Good buy level. I mean, if you took it good, make sure you pay yourself. The levels are working. They're doing their job, right? So, I mean, it's a matter of managing your risk, wanting to see what you want to see in those areas, right? You can always reward yourself for good levels, but what we want to reward ourselves for is execution. We want to be able to take those levels and take advantage of price action, typically. It's all fine and dandy for people to come online and draw you boxes and draw you volume levels and handles and cups and whatever. Are they taking the trades? Are they managing their risk properly? Are they making all their money off of your back for using their trading exchange? You should ask yourself these questions to people who you listen to for non-financial trading advice. That's all I have to say about that. That's all I have to say about that. This is a good push, man. I like this. See if we SFP or not. Remember, the crypto space is an echo chamber, right? You got this guy talking about this guy who's talking about this guy talking about this guy. The butthole just gets bigger, guys. It's all the same, same regurgitated bullcrap, especially these altcoin people. They don't know where things are going. They're just guessing just as good as you can. You take the market cap, you divide it by the supply times the amount the market cap's going to be, predictability, market cap's going to be $11 trillion, and that's going to equal out $8,000 link, guys. So buy link. Whatever, man. You fugazi. Nice push for Bitcoin. Solana trying to go too. Should have taken the VWAP slap on Solana. Did I hit that properly, Wave Safer? Did I kill it? Yeah. Grumpy Alex is back. It's Friday, man. I have had a fantastic trading week, guys. This week I was able to put about $80,000 into my piggy bank that doesn't get touched, okay? It's the 21st. I deposited about 80 grand into my bank that I don't touch, my Spank Bank, guys. Put 80 grand into that. Okay. The trading accounts back to $100,000. The spot bags are down today. And it's happy days, man. Trading's been really, really kind to me lately. I feel blessed. And I try to teach you guys as much as I can, man. I try. And it's Friday, man. So I get to take my boy swimming tomorrow. I get to hang out with the whole Otter family today, do some live streaming, hanging out, teaching, hopefully helping other people make things, click for them. Retest to previous highs, continuation up here. Bear divs across the board, getting exhausted. Not for me right now, guys. Clipping, bearish divergence. Key resistance, there's no trade here. Unless you're shorting, which I don't want to short this momentum right now. Chopping the NASDAQ. Dropping on the SPY. So this suggests down, if anything. If anything, this suggests down. I have a serious question. How do you overcome a losing streak emotionally? Oh, tons of those, Steve. Tons of those. So when you're going through the losing spree, right? Because even if you have like a 70% win rate, right? 70% win rate, and that means 30% of the time you're going to lose. 30%. And the problem is that you can't, this is why we use good risk management, everybody, because you don't know. Okay, you don't know as a trader. You do not know. Nobody can tell you this perfectly. You do not know when the wins are going to come, and you don't know when the losses are going to come, okay? You don't know. You just have a probability. You could go on one of these. Okay? When you go on one of those and you're not managing your risk, you're fucked. That's plain and simple. This is how you lose everything and you blow up your account because you have a good strategy. You're just losing right now. And it's okay. When I start losing like this, I get excited because I know that this is coming. Probability-wise. What the key is when you're losing like this and you've noticed you're in a little bit of a rut, you position yourself down. So instead of trading full position size, you go half a position size. Right? You get your reps in. You don't stop trading. You don't stop taking your setups. But you don't put as much risk on. So you can mitigate, because you want your beautiful trading equity curve to look like this, even if you go on a rut. Okay? You don't want this part to look like this. So that's where you get fucked with trading, from my experience. Small wins, small losses. Big wins, small losses. And be as cheap as possible, right? You're always putting on risk here. So your job, let's say you're on you're a big loser, okay? You're a big loser. Your job is to still take the trades with your setups, but don't put as much size on. Get back in the game. Get back in the game. And do that for a little bit. A lot of the time, I'll get FOMO, so I just put the trade on like this. I'll leave it. Okay, let's see if it plays. Whatever. Okay? Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. Like, just separate yourself from the emotions. And that's the hard part, right? That's the hard part. Especially if you're doing this for a living like I am. Like, you have some bad days, and you're like, why the am I doing this, man? It's been good lately. I'm enjoying it and enjoy the good with the bad. I think it was like 6 or 7 months ago. I had turned 15,000 into 50,000, and then I lost. And then at 50,000, I went on tilt and I went down to $20,000. I was fucking pissed. Because I had almost tripled my account, and then I gave away half of it, basically, in tilt. Just over trading, angry, pissed off, non-emotional, just self-destructive, right? And I messaged Crypto Face, and I was like, man, I fucking suck. And he's like, be the turtle. Small wins, small losses, right? It's getting back to just getting the reps in over and over again. Easy peasy. Adjusting. It's that awareness, right? Don't let yourself spiral too much, because you will be there. And if you've built your account up and you rip half of it down, man, it's a hard road back up. So you must be able to catch this part early and make adjustments along the way. Nice little short level here, guys, rotating down. There's nothing for me here for trading right now. Very grateful for you guys being here. I guess I gotta send you somewhere. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless you guys. God bless you guys. Join the Discord. Come over and hang out. It's Friday, baby. We'll have the sale on all next week, too. Enjoy the weekend. And touch some grass, touch some ass. Whatever you're into, man. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.